us on the broadcast, as we are also getting more updates as far as the politics in the war of words intensifying with just a week to go for the Delhi polls, where Delhi Chief Minister Atashi has now written to the Chief Election Commissioner urging immediate intervention to ensure Haryana releases either pure raw water without ammonia or additional water to dilute the ammonia levels. In the letter that has been addressed by the Chief Minister of Delhi, Atashi, she also requested a meeting today to prevent any external interference in the upcoming Delhi elections. All right, Shubh, as the latest that we are tracking pertains to the war of words between the government of Delhi and Haryana on the dilution of the ammonia in the water from Haryana. What is this entire matter and why exactly is this important just a week ago before the Delhi polls?
Absolutely. This question arises because the politics over Yamuna has not been the first time happening between Aam Aadmi Party and the Bharatiya Janata Party. Previously also, there has been politics over Yamuna because Aam Aadmi Party have previously alleged that Haryana government has been overflowing the flow of water, due to which Delhi was flooded at the previous year. And now Aam Aadmi Party has been alleging that the level of ammonia is being doubled and is being multiplied by 7 times the quality it is being sent. And in order for that, CM Atashi writes the letter to the Chief Election Commissioner requesting immediate intervention to ensure Haryana releases either pure raw water without ammonia or additional water to dilute ammonia levels, and request a meeting today to the Chief Election Commissioner to prevent any external interference in the Delhi elections. Also, Atashi have requested for the time of the election Chief Commissioner, to whichever Haryana government have replied that they will file a defamation case if the facts provided by Atashi would not be correct in this matter, because Aam Aadmi Party has been claiming that it is water terrorism which is done against the Delhiites, since Delhi is dependent on the water being provided by the banks of river Yamuna. And this comes when Delhi Vidhan Sabha elections are after a week. So, this political turmoil is arising in the national capital, and we are waiting for what action will Election Commission will take, because Election Commission has asked Haryana government to provide a factual report stating this current situation. Yes, back to you.
All right, Shubh, thank you very much for adding these details and giving us